Hello everyone, it's Nicole here. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to select the perfect plant shelf for your space and also give you some ideas on organizing your plants and make your corner look so relaxing and cute. If you're interested in this topic, keep on watching. If you guys watched my previous IKEA plant shopping video, you probably remember I talked about some pros and cons of IKEA plant shelf or plant stands. It's not a solid board, so I don't think it's functional. And then you cannot, if you put all your plants on the top shelf, what is this shelf for? And you guys reach out to me through Facebook, Instagram and YouTube asking me for more suggestions. Some of you asking, oh, I have so many plants, 50 or 60 plants in my room, but they are sitting on the floor, they don't look good, or you guys running out of space. Don't worry, in this video I'm going to give you a lot of ideas, and some of them are even simple DIY ideas that everyone can do in our home. I wanted to divide this video into two parts. One is how to select a perfect plant shelf for you, and the second one are my recommendations. So let's talk about the first one first. How to select a perfect plant shelf. I have a story to tell. I got my white plant shelf slash bookcase from Costco. When you are shopping online for a plant shelf, you are actually taking a risk, and I hope everyone knows that. After I received my package, I assembled it right away, and I was very disappointed because of the quality. So I paid about $75 for my bookcase or plant shelf. It was on sale and it looks good. Like, I always want my plant shelf looks good. I wanted to have some bohemian urban style, look so chic and cute. I just don't like the black metal storage shelf. So I saw that on Costco. I placed the order. Anyways, the quality is bad and I would return it if I did not assemble it. But after I spent 1.5 hours, I know my skill is not that good. I spent 1.5 hours to assemble it. I put all of my hard work in. So I feel like I probably should keep it, even though the quality is not good. In the dimension description, it doesn't list the distance between each shelf. So the one that I got, the distance is about 13 inches, which is 32 or 33 centimeters. If you have some small to medium sized plants, or some plants that they just like to put their legs and arms and reach out to everywhere, that kind of plants would not fit. The practical number that I found is 14 to 15 inches, which is about 35 to 38 centimeters. That would be the ideal height between each shelf. The width is also very important. If the width number is larger than your planter's diameter, that is perfect. Another thing that I really care about is quality. Like I said, I don't want my plant shelf to be wobbly. Like, I can't imagine that if I move to another house or move to an apartment, my plant shelf probably would go to trash because the quality is terrible. I've only used my plant shelf for a few months, and some of the wood boards, well, they're not actually wood, they're just like sawdust, is cracking, and I don't want to talk about that purchase anymore. Another factor that I really care about is if it's easy to clean. I've seen so many photos on Instagram about people using their wicker shelf as plant shelf. It looks very chic and very cute and very trendy, right? However, it's so hard to clean. Are you going to take your whole wicker shelf to the patio and then use the hose to rinse it off? I mean, it's kind of impossible to clean. Why do you want to give yourself so much trouble? Don't do that. Part 2 is recommendation. So all the items that I'm going to talk about or I recommend I will put the link and information in the description below, so don't forget to check it out. Let's talk about plant stand first, since we already started it. Like I said, I don't recommend the one that I purchased from Costco.com. And I also don't recommend the ones from IKEA because they're not practical, even though they look really cute. Here are 3 plant shelves that I actually recommend. The first one is from Costco, and I believe they're on sale right now. It's $149. The quality is very good. I went to Costco and tried to shake it and check the quality. It's not wobbly. It's made with metal and have some wood board as shelves. I think the quality is very good. Unfortunately, they only have one color and it's warehouse only. So if you like that plant shelf and you want to get it but you think it's too expensive, I understand. My suggestion is wait for a few weeks. You know, when Costco get their furniture, they usually keep it for 1 month or 1.5 months, and then they will get another seasonal products in. If you're willing to wait, I think they will eventually be in clearance. So when you see the last 2 digits of the price, if it ends with a 97 or 00, it means they're in clearance or a manager markdown. That would be the time that you should get that plant shelf or ladder shelf for your plants. The second and the third plant shelves are from Target. I saw them in store and the price in store is cheaper than the price online. So if you can find them in your local store, I suggest you go there and pick it up. One is $99.99 and the other one is $149.99. I think they both have amazing quality. The one that is $99.99, the distance between each shelf is 14.25 inches, and the one that is more expensive is not, it's very close to 14 inches, but they are very good quality, so I do recommend them to you. There are a lot of shelves that I've seen online that are so cute, but I don't want to mention any of them in this video because I am uncertain of their quality. I've never seen them before, so I just want to recommend the products that I like. If you already have a plant shelf, using towel ladder could be another way to organize your plants. Towel ladder is very farmhouse styles. It's getting so popular lately. However, towel ladder is really meant for holding up towels, and they usually use very lightweight wood or not even wood to make it. So if you like this idea to organize your plants, make sure you get the heavy duty one or even DIY. It's very simple. Another popular one is ladder shelf. It's not the ladder shelf that I got, it's the other ladder shelf that I don't have in my house. So you can actually purchase a used ladder or get it from the thrift store, paint it and put some boards on the top, and you get your new ladder shelf. If you have a lot of hanging plants or trailing plants, but you don't want to drill a hole up on your ceiling, another way to do it is using clothes rack. There are 2 clothes racks that I recommend. One is from IKEA and the other one is from Amazon. And I'm sure you can find similar styles online. So my idea is to be able to hang some plants, and also the area that you're supposed to put shoes on is big enough for you to place your plants on. So instead of leaving your plants on the floor, you can put that up on that shoe rack area. I think that would make it look better and also looks more organized. If you have a lot of plants, let's say over 100, and you want to put them on the shelf, this is kind of impossible because it's hard to find a shelf that is big enough for you to put so many plants on. So another way to do it is getting some shelves and put them together. You can get a taller shelf, a shorter shelf, and a taller shelf and put them together. If you use this kind of combination, make sure they are the same style or the same brand. That can keep the consistency and make it look more professional or put together. Another way to do is buying multiple bathroom shelves. Bathroom shelf usually has very good shelf distance, so if you get 3 or 4 bathroom shelves and put them all together, you can put a lot of plants there. The next one is window shelf. I got this idea from Instagram. I can see that could be a very simple and fun DIY project. So all you have to do is do some measurement on your window or how long the wood board that you want it to be, and then drill 2 holes or 4 holes on each board and put the ropes all the way down. You have complete control of what the window shelf gonna look like, and 3 tiers, 4 tier, or even 5 tier shelf is totally up to you. Another fun way to organize your plants is using wooden crates. You can get them from IKEA, from Lowe's, Home Depot, or your local hardware store, or even Walmart. You can put them down or put them up straight or layer them up to each other. It's very fun and creative. Let's say you already have a couple shelves on the left that are pretty tall, and on the right you already have your statement piece plants, for example the bird of paradise. So both sides are already pretty tall and you don't want to leave any plants in the center because you want it to have a good balance. Well, actually you still can use this space. How about getting a bench? A bench should be short enough. If you put a bench in the middle, you still could put some small to medium sized plants in between. It should provide a pretty good balance. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you have any plant organization ideas or any products that you really like, please leave the comment down below. I really want to know. Again, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you'll be the first one get notified when I have a new video up. That's it for today's video. I will see you guys in my next one.